Okay guys, in this video I will show you how to set profile photo on your email account. Right now, if you are a marketer, you send out newsletter, you reach out to your clients and all of that, I will advise you set a profile picture, because that will help sparken your email and make it more lively. Just like this one here and this one here, you see they send out newsletters to their clients and all of that, and they are looking more human, right? Just go to your email, just here, tap on your email and go to your profile, tap on profile, look at the camera icon here, tap on the camera icon, select browse or take a photo, photo gallery, photo library, then you can choose any. So I can just decide to choose this particular one here for the sake of this video, and I'll click on done. Then I'll click on next, save as profile picture. I'll click on save as profile picture. It's already saving. Profile picture updated, right? So let's go back and see. So as you can see here now, the profile picture has been updated. So guys, please subscribe to this channel, support me. See you on the next one.